Hey Sarasota, we are in the heart of the hot season, and at this point, you can definitely see your air conditioning unit is putting in some serious overtime. Just like your car, a little maintenance can go a long way. In fact, having maintenance done on your air conditioning system can significantly prolong the life of your unit, ensure it's running as efficiently as possible, and, most importantly, prevent the dreaded, unwanted breakdown. An air conditioning tune-up by your Elite Air Conditioning certified technician is just $90. Our technicians are just that, service techs, not salespeople. They have absolutely no quota to meet, and if they happen to find anything not performing, they will honestly and with integrity bring the situation to your attention and let you decide how to proceed. It's kind of like having your dad or a trusted friend to help make sure it's working right. To schedule your maintenance and make sure your air conditioning system is running well, please call Elite Air Conditioning at 941-777-2179, where our customers are number one and where the technicians aren't salespeople and are 100% committed to you and you alone.